was written by
Ameeya,
Samson,
Scott, Lexi,
Bella, Ignacio,
Kairat,
Yanni.
Arnav.
And this is our story.
and it is called Abdul and the Invention of the Cupcake Fountain.
Hello, my name's Abdul, and I'm a blue professional baker, and I run this bakery called Starry. I've been running this bakery for 45 years. Oh, it's so busy every day. I'm so glad I hired 3 workers. Bob, Jilly, Ramen, where you at?
Right here, boss.
All right, we gotta fulfill these orders. We gotta get to work quick.
Well,
We're running behind.
we can't work any faster. We're not some kind of machine.
Yeah.
I have a great idea.
Uh-oh.
Why don't we build a cupcake fountain? That'll make production go faster and yummy.
Yeah.
Get to work. We're working overtime today. Let's do it.
Oh,
Okay.
all right.
Just
Got it. Just
around
this right here.
Okay.
All right. All right. Here we
All
go.
right, we made the cupcake fountain.
All right, let's test it out.
All right.
Oh!
They're all blobs.
Cupcakes!
What do we do?
Oh, boss, I don't know. What are we gonna do?
I think it needs a special formula to make the cupcakes more yummy. It reminds me, 20 years ago. Wow, what a beautiful country. What do you call this place?
Kajan. I love this place. What can I do for ya?
Well, I'm looking for Mr. Pep. Can you help me?
That is me. I'm Mr. Pep.
Oh, great. I heard you have a secret formula to make cupcakes more yummy. and delicious.
I do. It's right here. If you put it in a cupcake fountain, for example, it makes no blobs, awesome red velvet, chocolate, and vanilla cupcakes.
Excellent. That's what I need. Well, can I have the formula?
Oh, yeah, sure. Here you go. See ya.
Here it is. I have the secret formula to make the cupcakes more yummy and no blobs. Let's try it out.
All right. Here it goes.
Vanilla, red velvet,
Wow.
and chocolate. It worked. No blobs.
Yeah.
We have to let the people know.
Oh, there's some people coming right now. Let's see if they'll try it.
Hey, customers!
Hello, potential customer. Would you like to try our new cupcakes made from a cupcake fountain?
That sounds weird. I don't think I like that. That makes me feel weird, but I'll try it.
Yay.
We love it!
All
right.
excited that we made the cupcake fountain!
I'm so proud of you. You did a fantastic job.
Oh, thanks, boss.
Call us!
Good.
Call us!
The end.
We are the Story